Video, where do you even start? G'day crew, it's Zoe the Video Confidence Coach, welcoming you to today's video where we're going to be discussing my article on the Find Geelong magazine called Video Where to Start. So if you want to check out that article written in full in the February edition of the Find Geelong magazine, make sure you check out the link below and it will take you straight to there. So I just wanted to go a bit of a rundown in today's video of what I talk about in the article, but in the article you'll have a full rundown of the information. And this video is perfect for people who are starting about, who are thinking about starting about video. So if you are one of that, continue to keep watching. If you feel like you are a connoisseur of the videos and building your personal brand, feel free to watch if you like, or you can just continue onto our library of other videos that we have. And we're going to continue, and I'm just going to stop pandering. Okay, so in the article, I discuss about doing your research. So when you're about to start anything new, especially when it comes to video, because there is just so many options out there, it can feel a bit overwhelming of like, I don't even know where to begin. Well, first of all, you start off by looking at your industry. Look at your niche, so the people that you are trying to bring in to purchase from you. Who exactly are you serving? Who are the type of person that you're serving? And then see the type of content that they are consuming. Are they consuming a lot of stories? So this is a trend that is happening at the moment where you have 10 to 15 second vertical videos that are only available for 24 hours. They are very clickable, very flip through, and you get the idea really, really quickly. Are they consuming that type of content? Or are they more likely people who sit down and watch webinars that are hours or multiple hours long to get the information they need? You need to do your research by finding out what type of content are they consuming and where are they consuming their content from. Ugh. And then while you're doing that research, have a look at what areas are not being filled, what answers are not being created. So what videos are not being created that are not having the answers in them? What are some comments, some questions that people are having in the comments below of each video that you could answer? That you feel like you have enough information, you have enough statistics, you have enough data to be able to present to people and say, here is the answer to your question. And I do not recommend commenting on those comments saying, hey, I've got an answer for you. I'm just saying that you find that gap in the market that is available for you and your content. And then moving on to the next thing, which will be your message and your call to action. And this is a bit of business speak here, but your call to action is essentially, what do you want people to do once they've watched your video, while they're watching your video? A usual call to action when you're consuming YouTube content or video content in general is, click down below to click subscribe. That's a usual call to action that's pretty, small, pretty easy. If people like you and like your content, they're going to subscribe. But I want you to think about who exactly you're targeting, who exactly you're talking to in your videos, and making sure that you pinpoint your focus on what exactly is going to help both of you in the transaction. Would it make sense to get their email address more than just a subscriber on a, obscure website or something? It's probably going to be more beneficial to you, whether you are a community group, whether you are an charity, when you are a not-for-profit, or even if you're building your personal brand. I cater to all these people. When people are able to hand over their email address, they're more likely to be more interested in your products because they want something from you. They want a lead magnet. So a lead magnet being an ebook, a podcast episode, or something that is behind an email wall where people have to give you their email to receive the prize, to receive the free gift, to receive whatever. And then you use that email in your existing marketing when continuing to do what you do. I digress. But I want to ask, what benefit are you giving them? And what benefit can they give you? Can they drive some engagement by commenting, by liking, by sharing? What can they do to help you? And if they can do it in one click or less, that's even better. What is a simple thing that they can do to help you for giving them that helpful tip, helpful information, or whatever you've created your content about. What is going to help them help you? So think about that when creating your video, because you're putting all this effort of putting something together, or probably and hopefully you're putting more than one video together at a time. Hopefully something? No, I was going somewhere with that idea. Hopefully you'll be able to have an idea of what exactly you want out from the transaction. From all the effort that you're putting in, what do you plan to get out of it? And then the last point of video, where do you even start? Is start playing around. Get out your phone, get out your smartphone, or get out your camera of choice and start just filming small, simple, achievable videos. Film things around your office, your house, your community center, wherever you're filming from. Just try it out. See how it looks. Maybe see how it goes, maybe the camera facing you as opposed to facing out. How does it sound in the bathroom compared to the kitchen? Trying things out in small little videos. There's a reason why Steven Spielberg, started out with little videos that, he filmed and created at home or at school or at university, is because that's where people get their start, when people are really interested in this. And just because you're not, getting this interest or wanting to start videos when you're not in school or a child, it's that information still scales up no matter what age you are. If you want to try something new, try small, little, achievable steps to be able to try something new and see how it looks. Get a feel for it. Try little things. Try, changing the settings, seeing how things look, zooming in, zooming out. What are things that you can change that'll eventually give you the confidence to put it out there? And today's sponsor spot is to check out the Find Geelong magazine link in the description below, where you'll find me and a whole bunch of other local personal brand builders and entrepreneurs who want to help you on all aspects of your business, your non-for-profit, your community group, whatever you are doing. I very recommend that you check out the Find Geelong magazine. TLDL. So do some research on what is already out there and what are the gaps that you can fit into. Think about who you are creating the video for, or the series of videos hopefully, and why are you doing it in the first place? What exactly are you going to get out of it, and what are they going to get out of it? And last of all, make sure that you play around. Create some little videos here and there just so you get a feel of what you're doing. So I hope you have enjoyed today's video, and if you want to check out more of what's next, I highly recommend that you check out our previous Find Geelong article of Got Something to Say? Say It With Video, where it's very much like this, but a lot more informative, because I'm Zoe the Video Confidence Coach, where I give you information for reasons. So I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions, make sure you comment below and I'll do my best to answer them, and I will leave you to a beautiful day. Bye.